In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the WordPress website builder on mobile, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you want to create or manage your website directly from your phone, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. You'll be able to install the app, open it, and sign in or create your account in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your mobile phone. This is where you'll find the official WordPress app, and using the Play Store helps make sure you download the correct and safe version. Once the Play Store opens, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type WordPress into the search field and wait for the results to load. You should see the official WordPress app appear in the list. Make sure it is the correct app before continuing. After that, tap on the Install button. Your phone will now begin downloading and installing the WordPress app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just wait until the installation is complete. Once the app finishes installing, tap Open to launch it right away. When WordPress opens for the first time, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a WordPress account, simply enter your login details and continue. If you're new to WordPress, you can create a new account directly from the app by following the on-screen instructions. This setup process is very straightforward, and it only takes a little bit of time. After signing in, you'll be ready to start using WordPress on your mobile device to manage your website, view your content, and make updates wherever you are. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on mobile. It's quick, easy, and perfect for anyone who wants to stay connected to their website while on the go. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides just like this one.